Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to turn off notifications on Instagram. So there are two ways you can do it. You can turn it off in the Instagram app or you can turn it off in the settings app. I'll show you how to do both of them in this video today. So first things first, let's do the Instagram way. So first go to Instagram. Now once you open it, go to your home page and then click on the three bars in the top right corner. Once you click on that, click on settings, which should be at the very top of the pop-up bar. Once you get here, click on notifications, which should be the second option down. Now here, you have a couple options that you can do. You can click pause all, which will only pause the notifications up to 8 hours. So if you just want to completely turn off notifications and you don't want it to come back on, then you can go through all the settings in the notifications setting and turn them off like this. This will turn it off until you turn it back on. Now the way to do it in settings is you go to settings, and once you open it, scroll down until you find Instagram. Once you find Instagram, right here, click on it. And once you click on it, go to notifications. It should be the option with a red bell. Once you click on it, if your allow notifications is on, then all you have to do is turn off allow notifications, and then you won't get notifications on Instagram anymore. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.